Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Okay. Now, ultrasound in breast disease. In breast disease, the ultrasound which we do is actually the initial investigation which is done in palpable lesions. It is the initial investigation done in palpable lesions in women less than 35 years of age. Then, actually, in young women's breast will contain has large proportion of granulation tissue because the young woman's breast contain large proportion of glandular tissue. So if you do a mammography, the soft tissue density will occur, and this soft tissue density will reduce the sensitivity in mammography. So mammography is not recommended in young women. So as a result, in them we do a ultrasonography is done. Second, ultrasonography detects ductal carcinoma in situ with lower significance than the mammography. That is, in mammography, detection of ductal carcinoma in situ for ultrasonography is always less than the mammography. Then so where is ultrasonography important? So the uses of ultrasonography is important method for resolving the equivocal mammographic findings. If you see the similar mammographic findings, then we can do ultrasonography to resolve it. You can define the cystic masses can be defined by ultrasonography, and it can be used for demonstrating echogenic qualities of specific solid abnormalities. In order to detect the echogenic qualities of specific solid abnormalities, we can do an ultrasonography. Then, in ultrasonography, if you see the breast cyst on ultrasonography appears as smooth margins and echo-free center. Then, if you see a benign breast disease, the benign breast mass A benign breast masses will appear as they will have smooth contours with round or oval shapes, and they will have a weak internal echoes, and they will also have a well defined anterior and posterior margins are seen. So in a benign breast disease, we can see that there is smooth contours, round and oval shapes, weak internal echoes, well-defined anterior and posterior margins are seen in a benign breast mass. Then if you see in a breast cancer, obviously irregular walls are seen in breast cancer, and the breast cancer may also have smooth margins with acoustic enhancement. So what does this mean? So in the breast cyst is something like this. There is echo free center and smooth margins are seen. In breast mass, there is smooth contours are seen, round to oval shapes with weak internal echoes are also seen. Here there is weak internal echoes are seen. Whereas in breast cancer, there is irregular walls are seen with smooth margins, and there is acoustic enhancement is also seen inside.
thank you and thank you for watching.